afternoon, Mamla. Good afternoon, Tata. Good afternoon, Ate Kung. Good afternoon, Ate Chuki. Good afternoon, Lolo. Good afternoon, Lola. Good afternoon, Star.
Today is
Tuesday.
and Togo picture.
Togo pictures. Togo
And-
picture today.
Maulan, maaraw.
Maulan.
Pakita mo yung rain kay mami mo.
Look at the rain. Look at the rain. Oops, I forgot it. Look, it's raining. Oh, raining na yan.
Yes, it's raining.
Rainy day or sunny day?
Rainy day.
It is a new teacher ko. Ang new teacher ko, si Teacher Glenn. At I just went writing my name kahapon po.
Saan?
Sa Monday. Sa January Monday. Ang sa January 26.
Ako kahapon, 26. Today is 27.
Yes. Look at the flower. Tingnan flower po. Oh,
Oh, wow.
so maganda. Looks like sunflower. Kind looks like sunflower.
Pero yung sunflower is mataas siya.
Apa. Hey, it's from the garden. That's from a garden.
Oh, that's a flower. Sampagita.
Whoa. They said, what?
Sampagita.
Sambagita? Look
Yeah.
at that one.
National flower. Da. Flower sa pukan.
Did I not clean that? Ang aso yan or ang pusa?
I don't know.
Pusa. I think sa pusa yan. Look at it. It's raining. So rainy.
Siya ko kainin. O, dito tayo dyan.
So rainy today, but really so scared from the rain.
Yeah.
Takot siya sa rain. Bakit man siya wet?
Sabi niya wala daw kasi siyang pang-pabet. Kapag ka nagsasakit siya, wala siyang pang-bet.
Pang bet?
Opo, pang-doktor.
Pang doctor?
Ang tawag niyo sa doctor ng animal veterinarian.
I see. I see.
I see.
I see po. I see po. Hip, hip, hop, hop. Hop. Labi na ako sa school. Are we gonna be some...
Dito tayo banda. Baka ma-sleeper din dyan.
Tignan mo, oh.
Opo.
Oops. Nope. I'm not going there. Nope, nope, nope. Nope,
The what?
nope. Hindi ito yan dyan. Takot dyan to.
Ay, the flower is lava?
Yes!
Ito, dito.
Ew.
The flower is lava. Look, there's something. Oh, two.
Ah!
Dito.
Phew, finally I made it. Finally I made it. Under like the live lava. Look at the flower. Look at the flower po.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my goodness. There's that. We are going to school. Goodbye, Mama. Goodbye, Tata. Goodbye, Ate Kim. Goodbye, Ate Chuki. Goodbye, Star. Goodbye, Lolo. Goodbye, Lola. Bye. See you at
Bye, Snow.
Wednesday.